Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In this practice, we'll explore how to reframe our view of success, moving towards our goals by celebrating our best efforts. Start by finding a comfortable seat. Let your spine gently lengthen from its base all the way to the top of your head. As you sit tall, release any unnecessary tension so that you remain alert without gripping. Relax your shoulders. Let your hands rest on your knees or in your lap. And slowly close your eyes. Now, take a few deep breaths. As you inhale, call yourself into your practice, arriving fully. As you exhale, let go of whatever you were doing before this moment. Again, breathing in with the intention of truly being present. Breathing out, let go of your to-do list for the rest of the day. And take 2 or 3 more deep breaths on your own. Now, let your breath return to an easy rhythm and become aware of the sounds around you. Start with the sounds that are farther away, beyond the space you're in. You might notice the drone of traffic or people talking in the distance. Do your best to let the sounds come to you rather than seeking them out. Just noting them as they appear and disappear. Now, draw your attention a little nearer. Become aware of the sounds that are closer by, the sounds in the room around you. Perhaps the sound of a clock ticking, the hum of an appliance, or even the sound of my voice. Again, remain as effortless as possible, just noticing sounds as they come and go. And now, draw your awareness even closer in. Notice the sounds inside your body. You might notice the sound of your breath, the sound your body makes when you swallow, or the subtle gurgles of your digestive organs. There's no need to analyze anything. Just allow whatever you are hearing internally to show up and then to fade away. Now, let your awareness broaden. Without searching them out, let the sounds that are farther away, those that are closer by, and the ones that are very close simply appear and disappear without effort. Do your best to remain open to whatever arises without judgment, even if it's silence. There's no need to figure out any of the sounds or even to name them. Simply stay with the experience of hearing. If you get distracted, lovingly bring your awareness back to your ears' hearing. Gently return to the feeling of listening again and again, noticing each distinct sound. Enjoy the unique soundscape of your experience. Now, soften your attention. When it comes to accomplishments, it's easy to compare ourselves to others who seem to have a handle on success. But the truth is, each of us has a unique set of strengths and weaknesses, which means that our paths to success are also one of a kind. This is why we can't follow someone else's footsteps. The most direct route to our objectives is to try our very best. It's similar to our meditation practice. Every time we call our distracted mind back to attention, our ability to do so expands, and it gets a little easier to stay focused. The same is true as we strive towards our goals. Every time we try something, whether we fail or not, we are honing our skills and getting better at what we do. I recently came across an anonymous quote: "Do the best you can until you know better. Then, when you know better, do better." So put your best efforts forward and learn from your mistakes, striving to grow and learn each time. And above all, remember to celebrate your unique successes along the way. Now, come back to your breath. Notice your body in space. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. I hope this practice has served you well. Let's meet back here soon.